It's a rain. And this next song is one that I wrote. It's called Too Long in the Rain. And I can't tell you how many times we have played this, and it has started to rain in the middle of the song, but we're going to give it a go anyway, I think. We're good? This is from an earlier album of mine called Tulsa, but the song is Too Long in the Rain.
Once, maybe twice, a glimpse of something nice. I couldn't change it, baby, something twice. But I'm not sure it's worth the strain. It's too long in the rain. It's a fact that opposites attract, but I wouldn't change it, baby, or take things back. 'Cause nothing ventured, nothing gained, but it's too long in the rain. Such a thin line, a good rain I don't mind, until it's all time. And I'd say it's time that we both went inside and changed into something dry. It's not wrong, it's not bad, and it makes me a little sad, but too many nights have ended with one of us mad. Now I don't think I'd call it pain, it's just too long in the rain. Such a thin line, a good rain I don't mind, until it's all the time. And I'd say it's time that we both went inside and changed into something dry. No good in goodbye, but I just can't seem to cry. Now what do we tell them, baby, when they ask why? 'Cause I'm not sure I can explain, it's just too long in the rain. Too long in the rain. Thank you.